Oh. So this is just a chicken cheddar broccoli, like pasta or casserole, whatever you want to call it. But first I'm taking a bag of frozen broccoli florets and putting it in the microwave to steam it for 7 minutes. And then I'm taking 2 cans of broccoli cheese, like condensed soup stuff, and I'm going to end up adding milk and butter to that. And then I'll just be giving it a good stir. Now I'm just adding some sharp cheddar cheese to it to give it more of a cheesy taste, because this household loves cheese. And I also forgot to mention, like, I have water boiling right now in another pan for the noodles that go into this. But now I'm just gonna continue stirring. You wanna stir here and there just so it turns into a nice creamy consistency and gets nice and melted. Next I'm just adding a double can of like shredded chicken breast. And so when I used to make this like as a casserole, like put it in the oven and everything, like I've grown up where you just would use like a single thing of chicken and only one like broccoli cheese soup or like whatever kind of thing we were making. We would only use like 1 can, but we decided that we liked it creamier, so that's why we like basically do a double patch for 1 pound of noodles instead of just one for 1 pound of noodles. But I'm just gonna leave in the description everything I use and how much of it and how I make it. We also now just make it into like a pasta. We just mix all the sauce and stuff onto the noodles and just eat it like that instead of putting in the casserole or in a casserole dish and putting it in the oven. If we put it in the oven, I usually do I think like 400 degrees for like 10 or 11 minutes, and obviously you can add whatever you want on top, whether it's like crackers or breadcrumbing, whatever, to make it a normal casserole. Now here the water is finally boiling, so I'm adding the extra wide egg noodles, and I usually don't use the extra wide, but I usually use like just a plain wide or medium, but it turned out really good either way. It's not a big deal. And then I'm going to be adding the broccoli since it was done in the microwave, and since that like little consistency is nice and creamy now, that's when I add the broccoli. And then after that I'll just be adding some salt and pepper to taste. And that's about it with it. I end up of course mixing the mixture once it's heated up and the noodles are done. Drain the noodles, add it over it, and it's all done. Previous vlogs I talked about getting a blanket basket, and I got one that matches that sorta. Then I bought 3 little throw pillows for the couches to tone out some of this brown, and we end up the couch used to be right here and we pushed it all the way back to the bar, and it's more open, and like I said, not as brown, so I like it. Also from Home Goods, I got this little dish right here to put my soaps on. Then I also have a bubble up soap dish, so I'm gonna sit right there, that I just have yet to open from Amazon. If you don't add hoisin sauce and sriracha to your ramen noodles, you're doing it wrong. Hurricane season is here. It's Thursday and Ella just woke up from her nap and just heated up some leftover goulash for her. Super delicious. And then, I don't know, I guess I'm gonna clean the toilets or something. Ella? No. Oh, Hank's just chilling in his Johnny jumper. Hi, buddy. Hey. I definitely gotta fix him because he looks a little lopsided right now. Oh, you go, Hanky. Oh, bite. Hanky. Hey. Ella, bite. I'm gonna have to go to her. She's probably reading or something. Oh? Oh, she's doing. Well, I tried cleaning her room today. And I filled up her stuffed animal thing and that little thing with all her toys, and as I was finished, she nearly dumped it out, so I gave up, so. Yeah, if you know about these things, but I used to just use toilet bowl cleaner, but these are so much more sanitary and nicer. They don't carry them at Walmart that I go to. It's where I usually go, but my sister found them at Target and got me and her one. And you just pop this little thing on. Into your trash can to me. And I usually like just to rinse it off, but it's just so much more sanitary to me than just like a lawn thing just sitting there. But then the rest of my toilet I just use like Loxbeats cleaner on it. I used to like wash my face here and there back when I wore makeup, but it's rare if I wear makeup, but I've just been feeling really icky lately with the face mask, and I swear my chin and everything is breaking out. So I think it's due for that. You never heard of them? I use Vanity Spin Brush. And it comes with 4 heads, like one for your back, this like for calluses on your feet or whatever. This is a daily cleanser, and this is for like more of a deep clean, which since I don't really wash my face a lot, I'm going to use a deep clean one. But you just pop them in. Spinner. I also used to usually use baby wash, like baby shampoo on my face, because it wasn't like as harsh, but I always have some stuff right here that I'm going to try out. I'm just going to use some warm water. Put a little size on the brush. Wet it. Dab it on my face some. And I just like go in circular motions with my face. Gross. They used to be kind of expensive, but I got a discount code from a YouTuber. But I don't know, I feel like they do sales a lot. So. And then I'm just gonna rinse the brush off now. Turn it off. I let them stay out and air dry for sure. Yeah, it's so cute. And then I'm gonna use colder water. Splash it with cold water because cold water tightens your pores apparently. Yeah. Little headband, and it's time to end the video right there.